back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a 20-minute hair transformation. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare my hair for a wig when my natural hair isn't braided. So I'm starting off with clean washed hair, and I did go ahead and blow dry it. That way it's more manageable for me. And the wig that I'm going to be applying is from DivaWigs.com. I'll be sure to link all their information down below, and I will have all the information that you are going to want to know about this unit that I'm going to be showcasing. So this is a lace frontal unit, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and it comes pre-plucked, and I didn't do anything extra to the hairline on this wig. The only thing I did was go in and, of course, bleach the knots and wash and deep condition the hair. This is how the inside cap construction looks. It took the bleach like a champ. So let's get started with preparing my natural hair for this installation. So I did go ahead and add edge control to my edges, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to part my hair. And a part definitely does not need to be perfect. I'm going to moisturize my hair again. And the moisturizer that I'm going to use is so affordable. It's my favorite moisturizer. This has been a holy grail of mine for over a year. It's by African Pride, and it's the Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Leave-In Conditioner. That is how it looks. If you don't know how to cornrow, then you can just do a flat twist. The goal is to get your hair as flat as possible. And my hair is pretty thick, and it works extremely well for me when I'm in between like cornrows, because typically I keep my hair in cornrows, but I'm going to be doing some different styles. So you want to make sure you get your ends nice and hydrated and moisturized. So it's a quick little lint check for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a wig cap. I'm just going to kind of tuck my braids to the side like so, and just toss my wig cap on. And if I was to do a straighter unit, I would probably do like 4 to 5 big plaits or French braids. So I'm just gonna push my wig cap back a little bit. And for the sake of this video, I already cut the lace off in the back and some on the sides. And I'm just gonna try the wig on now. See how the hairline is looking? Hairline looks really good, you guys. Yes. So I also use a setting powder too as well. And I did kind of over bleach the knots in the front a little bit. Well, I got some bleach on the hairline, should I say. But now let's try it back on. That's how it's looking as of right now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in and secure the lace. I like to go in with a thin layer of the Got to Be Glued gel. It especially helps like on the ear tab section. And when I do the method that I'm doing right now, if I want, my lace wig stays on for like 2 to 3 days if I leave it on. Okay, then for more security and reinforcement, I just go in with the Got to Be Glued spray. Before I clean anything up, I like to take a cotton scarf or a bandana and further mold my lace down. So I'm just gonna tie my hair up basically in layman's terms. And I'll leave this on for probably like 10 to 15 minutes depending on what I'm doing. I usually like to do this before I apply my makeup, but you know, it really just depends. So here's how it's looking right now. It's looking really good. Once I take this off, I'll clean up anything that needs to be cleaned up around the hairline. So off camera, of course, I remove my bandana or my scarf, and I did my curly hair routine. If you're interested in seeing how I do my curly hair routine, I'll link a couple videos where I go into that. I didn't want to do that in this video for time's sake, but this is how the hair is looking, and it looks absolutely amazing. You guys who are familiar with me and my channel know I'm like a curly hair fanatic, but this is how the parting looks. I didn't even part it. Like, let's get a comb out and part it. Let's part it. I think I kind of over bleached the knots on this unit because I use a different bleach, but here is how the parting looks. I'm not gonna wear a middle part today. I'm gonna wear a, should I do a flip over? Y'all know I'm a sucker for flip overs. Ooh, I think if I do a flip over, it would be so easy to finish styling this unit. I am gonna part it on the side for you. Like, this wig looks so natural. The parting looks amazing. You guys see that? Oh my gosh, I feel like I need to let it shine because it looks so good. Maybe I'll just do a deep side part like this. So if you want, you can go in with a flat iron or a hot comb to flatten it. Oh, and I don't really need to clean up the hairline like that. I thought I was going to have to, but the scarf just cleaned it up for me, so that's definitely a plus. I'm going to go in and add just the tiniest baby hair. And I like sideburns. You're familiar with my channel, y'all know. Oh, cool. The sideburns are already cut for me, so that's wonderful. I could have cut a little bit of lace, but I didn't want to do too much manipulation to this unit. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add the tiniest amount of baby hairs. Because it looks so natural, I don't want to do too much. And this part looks good. So I'm going to mold the sideburns down with the Got To Be Glued gel. And, oh, this is going to further reinforce the sides to stay down. And then I'm going to use my Lotta Body Mousse just to slick the hairline down a little bit. And if you're going to sleep in your units, make sure you tie them down with a bandana. So I'm just going to do the slightest baby hair action. Oh my gosh. Even though I did kind of over bleach the knots, they look so freaking good. Like, the hairline looks amazing to me. feel like this wig is beginner friendly because you don't have to put in too much work to make it look good. So this is all the hair to the front, nice and full. That's how the parting space is looking. And kind of like push it back because I really like the flip over vibes with curly hair. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick 360 so you can see exactly how this hair is looking. All the hair to the back, nice and full, perfect density. You can do a lot of different styles with this unit. I think Diva Wigs really did their thing with this wig, and the texture is so gorgeous. So if this video helped you guys, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Feel free to share my videos and leave me a comment down below. Go ahead and look in the description box. I will have all the information on this wig and details and direct links to DivaWigs.com. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.